How to uninstall apps from M4 Mac Mini. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can uninstall applications from M4 Mac Mini, so just make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you wish to uninstall apps on M4 Mac Mini, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. What we have to do is, from the bottom of the dock, just open up Launchpad, which looks like an icon that looks like this. Launchpad will basically show you a list of all the apps that you have installed on your device. When you click on a certain app, it will open it. When you right click on it, nothing happens. So what do you do if you wish to delete a certain app? To delete a certain app, you simply have to drag that particular app icon to the bottom of the trash can. So here you can see towards the bin. Once you drag it towards the bin, that particular app will be automatically deleted by default, and it's as simple as that. This way you'll be able to delete apps or uninstall apps on M4 Mac Mini. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.